Hey there, welcome to Gaming Basics. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to delete Clash of Clans account. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. So first of all, open Clash of Clans app and then click on the setting button. And now click on help and support button. Click on account. Scroll down a bit and click on contact us button. Now it will ask you to choose an option. Click on message us button. Click on other button. Click on delete my data. Click on continue. And now give your reason of you leaving the Clash of Clans. It will ask for confirmation and reply yes. It will take few hours to delete your account. So as you can see, my account is deleted. So this is how you delete account in Clash of Clans. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.